Okay, class, let's take a look at the reproductive system of the male fetal pig. Okay, so this is only the male fetal pig. We begin with the testes. You can see the right, you can see the left testes. All right, testes, more than one testes. One. The testes are housed within the scrotum. So to remove these, I had to cut through the scrotum to get the testes out. Okay, so this is the testes. This part is the epididymis. Okay, so the epididymis, this whitish looking part is the epididymis, while this is the testes itself. From the epididymis, you have the vas deferens. So this here is the vas deferens. This here is the vas deferens. So if you take this, you can see the vas deferens, this structure going all the way, this tubular structure going all the way. Epididymis, testes, epididymis. Sorry, testes, epididymis, epididymis. And from the epididymis, you have the vas deferens or ductus deferens. From the ductus deferens, they would join the urethra. So you can see how this goes around and then joins the urethra, bladder, urethra. Okay, so ductus deferens or vas deferens joins the urethra, and sperm, when it's released, would get into the urethra from the vas deferens into the urethra, out through the penis and through the urogenital opening. All right, so you can see some blood vessels heading into, like males, we have spermatic cord. They also have spermatic cord. And within the spermatic cord, you would expect to find blood vessels, vas deferens, nerves. Okay, so spermatic cord. And within the cord, you have blood vessels, you have the vas deferens, and of course, you would have nerves. So once again, the reproductive system or structures of the reproductive system of the fetal pig. We have the testis, the epididymis. Of course, the epididymis has a head, the body, and the tail. And from the tail, you have the vas deferens, which would connect to the urethra. And from the urethra, the sperm would then go through the penis and out through the urogenital opening. In humans, you would expect to find the prostate gland within that region. The prostate gland, right, within that region. We don't see other fine structures that we would see in males and humans because these are smaller, so it's more difficult to get to see these structures. Okay, so what structures should you be able to identify? The testis, epididymis, vas deferens, the urethra, you have the penis, and the urogenital opening. Okay, so here is the urogenital opening. So let's number these for identification purposes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this has been the reproductive system of the male fetal pig.